how to add follows only chat in Twitch in your mobile. So hello guys, in this tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, you need to simply open Twitch app. After that, click on that profile pic with the activity option. Here you will see about, home, clips, video schedule, also stream manager. So simply click on stream manager. Now you will see a lot of icons. Like second one was activity feed, third was chat, fourth was more actions, fifth was prediction, the sixth one was quick action. So we need to simply click on that sixth one. Once you click on that, after that you need to simply click on that heart. Here it will say followers on the chat. Followers can chat if they have followed for at least time below. You can customize the time, like how old follower can chat. Also, you can click on 0 minutes. Once you click on 0 minutes, it will be only for followers. If someone follow you, that will chat. Thanks for watching.